Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into AFK Arena with email. To log into AFK Arena using your email account, first of all, open up the AFK Arena app on your device. Once the app opens, you will be on the main screen. Tap on your profile picture at the top left corner and then you will see this kind of an interface. Tap the settings button at the bottom. Within the user settings menu, tap on link account. Now, in the enter email address text box at the top, type in an email address that you'd like to log in with. After doing that, click on link/switch account. On the next page, you'll need to verify your email. Go ahead and check your email inbox and you should receive a verification code. Copy the code that you received via email and get back to the app again, paste in the verification code and click on link/switch account. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to link an email with AFK Arena or log into AFK Arena using email. Now after you have done with the linking, you can pick up where you left off on AFK Arena, track your progress and access all of your data across devices. So that's how it's super easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Crazy Gamer for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.